Welcome to my channel Proper Garden. Today I will discuss about the plants, 5 fruit plants that you can easily grow in pot or bucket. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my notification. And friends, please see this full video. Plant number 1. Plant number 1 is lemon plant. In Hindi it is known as Kanji Nimbu. You can see many fruits are there in just this small plant. It's an hybrid plant and the big one. You can easily plant this lemon in bucket, or you can easily plant in 12 inches pot, because lemon plant do not requires more soil. They can grow in small pots also, so you can grow them easily in any time. Lemon plants are also planted in indoor, but the indoor lemon plant does not produce fruit. They produce flower but not produce fruit. So to get fruits, you have to plant it outdoor, so the direct sunlight will provide him to get many fruits. So lemon plant needs 5 to 6 hour direct sunlight to provide you fruits. Now come to plant number 2. Plant number 2 is lemon plant. That is a variety of orange. It's an orange plant. In Hindi it is known as Mosambi. It is a Mosambi plant. You can see this. It is growing faster. New leaves have been found and it is growing more faster. I want to say you something, that when I have brought this plant, it only have two stem, and up to 6 months it does not grow anytime. It's like that when I have brought the plant. But now I have fertilized it, and in 2 months it has been done like this. Its growth is faster, very faster it's growing. And this is also an indoor plant, but to get fruits you have to plant it in outside. You can also plant this in small pots easily. Lemon plants, all variety like orange, Mosambi, all varieties of lemon plants can be planted indoor, outside, and in small pots also. Now come to 3. 3 is the mango plant. You will not believe that this small mango was given me one time, a small mango here. To get many mangoes, we have to discuss about its growth. And I have fertilized it, and now it is growing. Its growth is faster like orange plant. And mango plant you can't plant it in pot, but you can plant it in bucket. Easily in bucket you can plant it. In pot you will have many problems to plant it. It will not produce fruit, flowers, any. But in bucket it can produce fruit and flowers. But you always fertilize it. This mango plant need more fertilizer than any plant. Now plant number 4. Plant number 4 is Chiku. In Hindi it is known as Chiku or Sapota. It's in my plant I am having many sapota. You will not believe the sapota grow more. It's like on coconut tree, it grow higher. But in I have planted it in bucket and see the result. These also need fertilizers. Many fruits are there, and flowers also. flower turning to fruit. You can see flower turning to fruits. You can easily grow the sapeta in bucket. It is also cannot grow in pot. You should grow in bucket. Now plant number 5, our last plant. This plant is known as in Hindi Gaya Koli. It's known as Gaya Koli, and it has produced me many fruits. And now it's spring season and it is having flower. But I have cut it all the branches of. I don't want to grow this higher from here. After I have given it fertilizer and one small stem, its harder stem has started beginning from the roots of the Gaya Koli plant. And it has been started, and I am definitely sure that it will produce me more fruits than this plant. And many others are starting from the below. It also needs almost many fertilizers. Gaya Koli plant needs 3 types of fertilizers. That is vermicompost, cow dung and nitrogen fertilizer. Okay friends, today my video is going to complete, and please subscribe me. I've told you the first, please subscribe my channel, and I want to show you something. This is pineapple plant which I have grown in this bucket, and it is planted from seed. It is planted from seeds. If you want detailed video about pineapple, you please comment me. I will give you a detailed video in pineapple. And if you want any fruit tips, detailed video about fruit tips, please comment me which fruits you want. If any other fruits you want to grow, I am having this 5, and I will grow on guava. Guava is at down. I want to bring it up by grafting it. And if you want any other fruits tips, you can please tell me in comment, and I will provide you the video. Thank you.